Okay guys, got a call from Assam today, and so I'm going to show you how to check whether you have set up your gyro and your tail correctly. So first move the main blades and get your tail to be vertical, and now we'll see how it responds to the inputs from the transmitter. Okay, we have all systems on. Now just see what happens. If I move my rudder stick to the right, see what happens to the leading edge. This is the leading edge of the tail rotor. If I move it to the left, it will go to the right. If I move it to the right, it will go to the left. That means if I move my stick to the right, I want the nose to go to the right. So the tail leading edge goes to the left and it will pull the tail to the left, making the nose go to the right. So the rudder is perfect. If this does not happen, you need to reverse your rudder channel in the transmitter. Now let's get the tail rotor neutral. Okay, now to see if the gyro is set correctly. If I catch the tail and move it quickly to the right, notice the leading edge moved to the left, meaning when I'm pushing the tail to the right, the gyro is bringing the tail to the left, is correcting it. It means the setup is right. I'll do it once more. Let's get the tail set to neutral. Now I'm going to move the tail quickly to the right. There. Notice that the tail plane leading edge has gone to the right, meaning the gyro is taking the tail back to the left. Your system is correct. If not, reverse the tail gyro setting, not the transmitter. The other way to check is with your servo also. Whereas with the tail, what I've shown you is a better system to check and less confusion. Now notice, provided you have set up everything correctly, if I move the rudder to the right, notice that the rudder arm goes forward there. So now if I move, now let me neutralize it. There's neutral. So now if I pull the tail right, notice, did you see the servo go forward? There. I'll bring it back. There, I'm pulling it to the right, is going forward. That means whether I move the rudder from here to the right or I move the tail to the right, and the servo will move in the same direction, it means the settings are correct. When I say tail to the right, you're standing behind the heli and you're moving the tail to the right, not with reference to the nose, with reference to the tail, and you're right and left. Okay, it's as simple as that.